What's up, guys? Ryan here with Texsource. We're at the Printing United Trade Show here with Dave with M&R. We are going to talk to you guys about the Qwik-Klean system that they have to offer. I'll turn it over to Dave to give the explanation on what's going on.
Sure. So one of the least desirable jobs in any screen print shop is cleaning squeegees and flood bars.
Second
from an
least.
automatic press.
Right.
One of the least desirables.
One of the least desirables
is cleaning squeegees and flood bars from an automatic press. Every time you have to do a job change, you're going to have to clean the squeegees and flood bars, and that involves protective gear, nasty chemicals, and a lot of time. So the Qwik-Klean is the answer to that particular problem. This is an automatic squeegee and flood bar washer, and it's a fairly simple idea. Take the squeegees and flood bars, put them in the machine, start the cycle. The operator can then walk away and do something else while the machine is doing the work for the operator. So 15 minutes roughly for a cycle. The machine holds 24 squeegee holders and flood bars, and your operator is not going to have to be in protective gear. He's not going to have to be worried about interacting with nasty chemicals, and he can do other things. So the operator of this machine can do other things in the screen area and the cleaning area.
And it's all automated. You got the system.
Fully automatic. It saves recipes. So if I have water-based ink, I have plastisol inks, I can have different times and different settings for how much time it takes to clean. It stores the chemicals that it uses for cleaning in the tank in the bottom.
So it recirculates.
It recirculates the chemistry all the time. So you're not using fresh chemical all the time. It's recirculating, and it filters out the heavy stuff before it goes back in.
So I see they got the high pressure nozzles on the side.
Correct.
It's three different systems, three different.
Right. We have pressure nozzles coming from the sides, from the top, and from the bottom. So we make sure that we get really excellent cleaning. And there's a carousel in here, basket that goes around in front of the nozzles. So it does a great job. It hits the squeegee and flood bars and the holders from all sides. So, once you've loaded the machine, then you've programmed the time into the HMI here, and you close the lid, you hit the start button, and the machine's going to start the press. You'll hear the pump start up, and you'll hear the carousel going around, and it's going to continue to go around with that pressure spray, the chemical pressure spray, on those for as long as the cycle is set for. When the cycle is complete, there's a drip time, and what that is time for the chemistry to drop off of those squeegee and flood bars back into the tank, so we're not wasting chemistry.
Save you.
And there's also a freshwater rinse that happens. So you don't want to leave the chemistry, especially on the squeegee blade, you don't want to leave the chemistry on there for too long because it might affect the squeegee blade itself. So when the cycle is complete, then it's going to give you an audible signal that the cycle is done, and then the lid's going to pop up and you're ready to go.